So guys, today we're gonna be at the Amazon
We're going to the zoo and the Amazon today
for the whole day.
for the whole day. Have you ever been
At
the
Emma
zoo?
Base B.
We got to the zoo. Now we're waiting on a checkpoint, and in a couple minutes they'll let us in at 10.
I think 7 minutes. 6 minutes left.
Yeah.
Wait a minute.
What's up, guys? Today we're at the Amazon and we're at
All right, guys. Here's the hard part. It's getting in the water. You just gotta get in the water. Just gotta get in the water. What is cold? That's so very, very cold. Why would you do this to me? No, but we're on a river. Minutes, how much going on?
We're in the river ride and there's a bunch of rope trees. Oh, cars. He's spinning! He's spinning!
What's happening?
He's spinning! Stop!
How about you making me go? Oh, nice. It's the piranha. There's a sign that says piranhas. No. What you see says just say piranha. Piranhas. We're in the piranha zone. Oh, they're biting my butt. They're biting my butt. How are they biting your butt? You're sitting on me. They can't bite your butt. You're on me. Look at me, guys.
Hey, that's not fair.
Uh-oh.
Oh,
Are you okay, man?
Uh-oh, now things get really interesting.
Doesn't get any tenser than this.
Okay, get ready.
Steady, Steve-O. Total danger, working above him in such close proximity.
It was a great day to be at the zoo.